Are credit problems holding you back? Credit can affect everything from getting a home loan, an auto loan, business opportunities, leases, rental agreements, employment, insurance, and even social status. Poor credit means paying higher rates and makes it harder to get approved on any type of loan. Whether your goal is to purchase your first home, get out from under your student loan debt, or recover from a bankruptcy, R&R Financial Group is here to support you as you prepare to improve your financial situation. Start raising your credit score today. We'll customize a credit repair plan that will improve your credit score and save you money. With your new good credit, you'll be able to take advantage of the low interest rates on mortgages, possibly saving you hundreds of dollars each month on your house payment. Having good credit also means getting approved for a credit card with a low interest rate, so you are prepared when an emergency arises. R&R Financial is an effective, hassle-free, and affordable credit repair service. We're licensed, insured, bonded, and have the expertise to get your good credit back. The sooner you start restoring your good credit, the sooner you'll be able to take advantage of the benefits of having good credit. Give R&R Financial a call today. We're ready to get started. 708-680-7600.